Hey, it's dance you lose, or I drop my Chinese speaking vids or merch. All right. How about dance I lose? Let's go dance I lose. I still got to give out one more merch, so I'll give it at the end. Just remind me, or I'll remind me. Let's go. What do we got here? Late night mop is short. Okay. This shit does not look scary. Doesn't matter what game it is, bro. Nothing is scary to me. That's really the fact.
Hey, sorry for calling you so late, but would you mind going by the house and do a quick cleanup? I made a bit of a mess and I need the house cleaned as I have some guests coming over in the morning.
We played
Okay,
this.
thank you.
Hold on, give me a second. We haven't played this. It sounds super familiar. We sure we haven't played this? It looks different. Pick up the chat. Put it in the trash can. Entrance, bathroom, living room, kitchen, hallway. Okay. I think we're good. Yeah, this feels different, so let's see. Whoa, chill. Alright. Is that a trash can? That's a big ass trash can to be in your back. In the sink, bro? Throwing trash in the sink? What kind of life you living? Can't even see myself. Door is locked, requires a key. Okay. It's dark in here, boy. Kind of like he's living terrible. What was that? Y'all heard that? Did y'all hear that sound, bro? Was that what I threw away? What was that? You guys telling me you don't hear none of that? I thought who sent that one? Fart? Soy noob? You thought you were slick, huh? Bro. I know your guys' games already. Alright? No matter how many sound effects you play. I know this system. What is that sound? I guess we're using the mop on the... Is that the rain? I guess we're using the mop on the carpet too. You hearing things? Bro, I'm not hearing things. I'm not hearing things, bro. Is there something out there? Alright. Alright, we got the... Good one. Good one, whoever did that. Good one. You actually caught me off guard for... Ew! I think it's just the rain outside. Nice. Got the hallway now. Got a key. Door is locked. Requires better. Holy smokes. Bro. Bro. Brother. See now. See now. Oh, fuck that. Nah. Frick that. Frick all of that. See, at this point, if you're a real person at this moment, you're probably jumping out the window and calling this a day, right? Like, we're not going to go in there and see what's behind that door. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. Fuck that. Whoever said that shit, fuck you. No. I was already worked up, bro. There's no shot. There's no shot. You legit. Don't even got a flashlight. One more jump to go. Wait, chat, hear me out. Chat. 4 lives. Chat. Did he say the power doesn't work in the house or something? Did I miss that? Why are there no lights? See? Bruh. That time I didn't jump, I stretched my arms. No. That time? No. No, that time I did it. I did it! Ref! There was no jump right there, bro. Absolutely not. There's no cash out. That time I didn't jump. And technically, it's over under 3. So we haven't gone over. We haven't gone over. That's all I'm saying. Chill. The office was still here. Hands everywhere, bro. You're not clean as you go any time of the day ever. All right, we got master bedroom and master bathroom left. Still like 1 minute into the hell was that? What I think, Chet? So I think it's a short game. Stop that. Bomb. Then here, play my music, funky white girl. You know we get down. I'm rocking your world. I like to drink Sprite with cherries at Shirley Temple. I've been mental. See what I was doing? I was just jamming out. That's what I was doing. Or I could just leave if I want to. Should I just leave, bro? Or should I finish the cleaning? Shoot, man. See, I know y'all heard that. I know y'all heard that, bro. Dude, I didn't even jump, Chat. I haven't even been jumping, bro. Lock in. Deal is still on. Lock in, bro. Stop playing with me. God, my heart is beating right now, bro. My heart is freaking thumping right now, chat. Who called somebody for a What the hell was that? Oh my god! Who said that? No, so great? Fuck off! Fuck! Genuinely fuck off! I hear knocking. Why'd I hear knocking? Alright. One room left. Right? Alright, master bathroom, then we're good, bro. See now what the heck is going on in there, bro? What the heck is going on in there? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared, chat. Guys. Alright. Go home. Alright, guys. Stop. Stop. Now we're gonna go home nice and easy. No doors are gonna suddenly shut on us while we're walking, right? 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 Right, guys? Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. Oh shit. What's that? What's that? No, go home. Oh my god, what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? We just made it out the hood! Chat. Fuck!
It might be a little too late to be saying this, but maybe don't go into my house. I remember I kinda summoned a demon and totally forgot about it. Anyways, hope you're good and healthy and alive. Okay, bye.
Bro! right. All right. What was that? All right. All right. All right. All right. That was Lixian's game, Late Night Mop. Nice short horror game for us there. That was fun. That was a blast.